In this video, we are going to see how we can add page numbers in Google Docs starting from a specific page number. So in this particular document, we have 1 of 5. That means 5 pages are inserted, but none of them contains any number that should be shown on the print. If you want to include this, it's very simple. Click on the format and click on page numbers. You can add it to the header position or footer, and you can also show this on the first page. But let's say that you have a cover page which should not be numbered as a particular number. So just uncheck the show on the first page and starts from 2, let's say. Click on apply, and this one is not showing any number and the other one is starting from 3. So basically what we can do is we can still start at 1, but just don't show on the first page. That is better settings. So this is a cover page without any number, but the other pages are starting from the second number, and that is shown on the header. If you want to show it on the footer, you just head over to the same section, which is format page numbers, and you start it on the footer. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.